Today on the Random Knowledge Project, I'm going to teach you how to make homemade bows just like my dad did. First, you want to get yourself some ribbon. It's going to need to be, inch and a half wide, something like that. I guess you could use smaller ribbon. We always used thicker ribbon, even ribbon that was wider than this. This piece off. You want to get yourself a strip, 6-8 inches long, something like that. And we're going to cut it up. First thing you want to do is get yourself a strip out of it. We'll use this to hold the bow together. Like that. That'll work. If you're going to be making multiple bows, you can go ahead and cut it all up in more strips. And get yourself a section. About 3 feet long or so. And then, depending on how big you want to make your bow, will determine how much you want to fold it in on itself. Make these about like this, and then we'll double back over like this. And then we'll just take it and wrap it around. Stop that. Boy, you're being helpful. Hey. You don't actually have to use a cat to make the bows, but I find it really helps the process. Stop. You can adjust it and try and get this part in like that. All right. Once we have our bow like this, then we find the center section. Just pick a spot in the middle of it. I want to cut a V channel out in it. Something similar to that on this side. All right. Now we've got our section cut out on there, like so. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to work. You take your string piece here, and you want to tie it. Make it nice and tight. And these long parts will come in later. All right. Then you want to reach inside the bow here. Pull out just one section, pull it, and then twist it. And then go to the opposite side and do the same thing. Pull it, and twist it. side. And twist. And then the other one out. Twist it. Oh, we're getting there. Side out. It has been a long time since I've done this. Twist. And the twisting just helps keep things in place. Fold it over. Fold it back in on itself. Now if you don't want this little piece here, you can just snip it off. Alright, there's your bow. And you can either tie this around the ribbon that's already on the package, or you can lay it out and trim the ends off and use tape to hold it down. That is a handmade bow. I'm guessing you could go ahead and use a wire ribbon with the wire through the sides here, instead of cutting it, just pinch it in and then, you know, use a strip off of something like this to hold it together and then twist it. That may work as well. I haven't ever made one like that before. You can also roll it over several more times, or twist it tighter, or get that V channel a little bit tighter in there just to really get it to spin over